Alright, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, Eli, PG and I have come down the river, out in the Red Menace, and we're just at these snags here. We're going to dive these. PG's already seen some cool shit, so hopefully the fish are still here, and then we're going to head to some other spots. Hopefully find some rubbish, and Eli's just put the drone up. It's going to get some footage of us now, so let's get into it, eh? Yeah, alright, so we've just done a little cleanup today. We've come down the river again, and we found all this off one little edge. Got all these lures, bikini top, some scrunchies and stuff, dog leash, all these goggles and balls, all these old cans and that, more just useless plastic, and another huge bundle of fishing line. And Eli's got himself brand new, mate, brand new.
Australian 4000.
Yeah, so on the 3rd of March is Clean Up Australia Day, and Eli and I have launched our own little foundation. Our Ocean's Future is our future. So we're coming down the river just to have a bit of a clean up. It's going to be all over Facebook and Instagram in the next couple of days. So if you want to get around it and come join us and just clean up the environment, just hit us up and we'll get onto it, eh?
Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight tonight.
Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you want to see some more, subscribe, If you like this video, remember to hit the like button. We're going to pack up the boat, go home and get ready for tomorrow, so see you later.